A News 4 Jax I-Team investigation into the COVID-19 pandemic, leaving the justice system at a standstill the past 6 months. Suspects who can't afford to make bail have been behind bars as the coronavirus spread. Their constitutional right to a speedy trial on hold. News 4 Jax I-Team investigator Kelly Wiley has learned jury trials should start again next month in Duval County, and she's joining us live from outside the jail.
Yeah, since June, hundreds of corrections officers and inmates at this jail have tested positive for coronavirus. Families tell me they can't get health updates, they can't make bail, and they can't get a trial. In Duval County, 240 corrections officers have tested positive for the coronavirus since June. Minutes from monthly meetings with jail medical staff show inside the jail, commissary functions were suspended in June because one of the workers tested positive too. At last report, more than 400 inmates have been infected with the virus since the summer, leaving a mother of a 19-year-old inmate who's been awaiting trial for 2 years at a loss.
It doesn't seem like enough is being done to even protect their health.
Since the beginning of the pandemic, criminal and civil jury trials have been suspended by the Florida Supreme Court. The problem, that suspension has lasted 6 months, leaving inmates with unaffordable bail unable to move forward with the speedy trial demand, stuck inside the Duval County Jail with no conviction.
We know about all the prisoners who have COVID in the jail. We know about all the corrections officers who have it. So what's happening is families are reaching out to their lawyers and defendants are reaching out to their lawyers trying to get out of the jail because for some of them, there is no end in sight.
Since the beginning of the pandemic, the state attorney's office helped release more than 500 inmates. But those were only inmates charged with nonviolent felony and misdemeanor offenses.
The state attorney's office has been working out a tremendous amount of cases. That being said, there are certain individuals who are in the jail for serious crimes, for serious felonies, who the state attorney's office cannot extend an offer of time served when that person would legitimately be facing a minimum mandatory prison sentence.
According to the public defender's office, the hold on jury trials is expected to end soon. In an email, public defender Charlie Kofer said Chief Judge Mark Mahone has directed the clerk's office to begin sending out jury summons for the week of October 5th, something the court hasn't done since the beginning of COVID-19. And according to the public defender's office, first in October, they're going to try to create their grand jury. They're trying to impanel that. That's what's necessary to move forward on first-degree murder charges and certain other offenses. And then after that first week in October 5th, they will slowly start to do other felony trials. Reporting live in Jacksonville, Kelly Wiley, Channel 4, the local station.